everyone, welcome back to the Confident Dancers channel. If you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip-hop dance online. In this video, we're gonna go over moves that take up the dance floor. But before we get into that, if you're someone who wants to have a successful dance journey, I made a free masterclass guide that shows you exactly how to do that. Comment the word masterclass below and I'll send that to you. So the format of the video goes, I teach the movement without music, then we try it with music, and then at the very end, we put the steps together to create a fun short pattern. All right, let's get started. All right, here we go with the first step. It's walking backwards with the arm chug, and it looks like this. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah? All right, so for the purpose of this demonstration, we're gonna just travel side to side, but this definitely can travel in whatever direction you want, as long as it's traveling backwards and then chugging your arm. Let's start with our lower body first, and I'm gonna walk 4 steps back, and the 4th step brings my feet together, okay? So starting with my right foot, I'm going back, 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 feet together. And then I go onto the other side, I start with my left foot. Back, 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 together. All right? One more time. Again, we're always focusing on stepping backwards and then meeting with our feet together. So 5, 6, 7, right foot goes back, 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 together, back, 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 together. Now, when I'm walking, a little detail to think about is I'm not keeping my legs straight, but I'm just doing a little bounce when I walk. So notice, here's a little example. I'm just doing a little march like this where I bend my knees a bit, but I'm doing that going backwards. So I'm going back like this, bending my knees instead of back like this. Legs are straight, okay? So let's try that one more time with that awareness of keeping the knees bent when I'm walking back. So 5, 6, let's walk back with the right foot first. Right, left, together, left, together. With our arms, okay? So if I'm going to the right, I'm using my right arm. If I'm going to the left or towards the left, I use my left arm, okay? I'm doing a fist, a light fist, and I'm chugging. That's why we're gonna call it for now. And we're chugging, pulling our elbow up. So I'm chugging back, then scoop, back, then scoop, okay? So pull the elbow back, scoop the ice cream. That's the best way I can explain it. So it's chugging back, scoop forward, back, scoop forward, and then you do it on the left side. Back, scoot forward, back, scoot forward. Okay? So let's try that very slow with the walk backwards, and I'm using my right hand, okay? Starting with my right foot, slow. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going left already. 8. Let's try it again. Slower. 6, 7. Last time. Slow. Chug. Scoop. Chug. Scoop. Chug. Scoop. One more time. Chug. Scoop. Chug. Scoop. Chug, scoop, chug, scoop. There's no law that it has to go 4 and has to go 4. You can change it and do 2, then 4 or 6 or a full 8 count, anything you want. But for the sake of this video, we're just gonna make it even, 4 on one side, 4 on the other, okay? So let's go one more time, a little bit faster, and then we'll try it with music. 5, this tempo. A 5, 6, right side, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 5. One more time, and a 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try it with music. The second step we're gonna do is called the camel walk, and James Brown actually created this step. So same thing how we did in our previous example, we're gonna go side to side with this step, but I'll definitely break it down facing forward. So the camel walk going side to side looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I switch to go to the other side, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me show you one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? So let's break it down, but I'll face forward so you can see what's happening. With my feet, without any pauses, I step forward with my right foot, and then my left foot comes up, or the heel comes up. And if anything, there's no weight really on that foot. Most of my weight is on the front foot. So when I step forward, it's a baby tiny hop step, okay? So when we're going, I don't necessarily go heel ball roll. I do a baby hop, right? So let's try that, and we're gonna do that stepping forward with the mini hop, stepping forward right, then left. Doing this forward one time. 6, 7, 8, mini hop, then step forward with my left, mini hop, okay? So you shouldn't have any weight on that back foot. Now, let's try it facing sideways, and we're gonna go for 4. So when we're stepping forward, you don't wanna think like this. There's a little tiny step, hop. Bring your foot up, hop forward. So you're dropping your weight when you step down. Drop your weight, drop your weight, drop your weight. Okay? So let's go for 4, going towards the right, and then 4 towards the left. I'm starting with my right foot. So 5, 6, 7, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go on to the other side, and I'm still doing my right foot going towards the left. 6, 7, 8, foot out, drop, foot out, drop, foot out, drop, foot out, drop. Let's go a little bit faster. Camel walk with the tempo of going step, step, step. That tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Reset to the go other side. Here we go. We set a 1, 2, 3, 4. When we're gonna do this one more time before we try it with music, and this time think about when you're stepping, is pretty much 95% of your weight on that front foot, or are you still bringing weight in the back foot? If you feel it in the back, you need to start adjusting and putting more weight to the front. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Adjust to the other side. Here we go. We said 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's try it with music, and we're gonna go 4 times. So to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. All right, the final step we're gonna do is a slide step with a tap forward, and it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this one, same thing as others, we're gonna go side to side. But bonus, for the end of this demonstration, or the end of this particular move, we're gonna play with using more space, and I'll show you how to do that. So as we first learned, we're just gonna go side to side, right, left. Starting with my right foot, I step, and my foot slides to follow. Then I tap, middle, tap forward, tap middle. Okay, so let's try that again. 5, 6, right foot will lead. Step with the slide, middle, forward, middle. Now let's try it to the left. We're gonna lead and step with our left foot. 5, this follows, tap, forward, tap, or middle, tap, middle. All right, let's try it again, slow, both sides, and let's do it 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we did it side to side, we're gonna go a little bit faster, same tempo, and add a little bit more sauce or spice with the arms. So what I'm gonna encourage you to do is to try not to keep it stiff here. Try to let it be loose. Let it breathe, okay? We're gonna go 4 times. 5, 6, let it breathe, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, now we're gonna do it again, but here's the fun part. We're gonna try and take up space by just changing our directions or changing where we face. So instead of always facing you, the camera, and going side to side, what you can do to join me, or you can watch first, replay, and try, we're gonna change where we face. So we're changing the direction of where we travel. So 5, 6, 7. So here I'm going to the side. Now I'm facing one way, then I face another way. Now notice my back is towards you, and I still face my back towards you, and I'm making my way back to the front. Okay? So that's a really fun way to kind of change things up. And if you do this in a cipher, now you're acknowledging people in the cipher. So what we're gonna do is we'll try it with music, and you can do dancer's choice. Either keep it facing front or change direction, okay? Whichever you wanna do. For the purpose of this demo, we're gonna do 2 sets. So we're gonna do side to side, then we're gonna change direction. So you can do all side to side or all changing direction. It's dancer's choice. Here we go. Hi. Hey friends, if you're enjoying this video and want to take your dance a step further, I made a free online dance program and the link is in the description box below. Okay, now here's the fun part. We're going to put everything together. We're going to do the backward walk chug, okay? Then we're going to do the camel walk side to side, and then we're going to do the slide, step, tap, tap, step, all right? For the sake of this demonstration, I'm just gonna keep everything side to side, but if you're already feeling confident, you can go into that changing direction for our last pattern, okay? All right, let's go. Hi. All right, so hopefully you feel more comfortable to take up space on the dance floor after learning these steps. And if you made it this far in the video, you're probably serious about leveling up your hip hop dance and building confidence. If this sounds like you and you want to work with me directly, click the link below for a free consultation call. All right, love you. See you next Tuesday.